नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य तिङन्तप्रक्रियायां पञ्चचत्वारिंशः पाठः, आगस्ट् मासस्य 30 दिनाङ्कः। येन अक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। वृद्धादिगणस्य प्रक्रिया अधीयमाना अस्ति। तत्र केचन हल् सन्धयः गतवर्गे अधीताः। आदौ किञ्चित् पुनरावर्तनं कुर्मः। वृद्धादिगणः धातुपाठे सप्तमः गणः। वृद्धादिभ्यः श्नम् इति सूत्रेण एतेभ्यः धातुभ्यः श्नम् विकरणः विधीयते। स च श्नम् मित्वसामर्थ्यात् मिदचोन्त्यात् परः इति सूत्रेण अन्त्यादचः परः भवति। रुध्, रुनध्, भिद्, भीनद् इत्यादि विकरणसहितम् अङ्गं भवति। श्नान्नलोपः इति सूत्रेण यदि धातौ पूर्वमेव नकारः विद्यते, स्वतःसिद्धः नकारः अथवा इदितोनुं धातोः इत्यनेन कृतः नकारः, कथञ्चित् यदि पूर्वमेव धातौ नकारः अस्ति तर्हि श्नमः परस्य तादृशनकारस्य लोपः भवति। यथा इन्ध् धातुः, नि इन्धी इति धातुः दीप्त्यर्थकः, तत्र इन्ध् श्नमिकृते इनन्ध्, तत्र न इति श्नम्, तस्मात् परस्य नकारस्य लोपे इनध् इति अङ्गं भवति। क्षम्यताम्। इन्ध् श्नमिकृते इनन्ध्, श्नमः परस्य नकारस्य धातोः नकारस्य लोपे इनध् इति अङ्गम्। भञ्ज्, भनञ्ज्, भनज् इत्यादीनि अङ्गानि सिद्ध्यन्ति। एतत् स्मर्तव्यं, रुधादिगणे सर्वाण्यपि अङ्गानि झलन्तानि भवन्ति। सर्वे धातवः झलन्ताः। तत्र श्नम् प्रत्ययः धातोः परः न भवति, धातोः मध्ये भवति। अतः धातोः यः अन्तिमः वर्णः स एव अङ्गस्य अन्ते श्रूयते। अतः सर्वाण्यङ्गानि झलन्तानि। एभ्यः किङिति सार्वधातुके अर्थात् अपिति सार्वधातुके, सार्वधातुकमपिति तिङिद्वद्भावे श्नसोरल्लोपः इत्यनेन श्नमः अकारः लुप्यते। सर्वेषु अङ्गेषु यथा रुणध्, भिनद्, कृणत्, पृणत् इत्यादीनि यानि अङ्गानि, सर्वेषु अङ्गेषु यः अकारः श्नमः अकारः, सः अकारः अपिति सार्वधातुके श्नसोरल्लोपः इति सूत्रेण लुप्यते। अतः सर्वत्र अङ्गद्वयं भवति। देर् आर् टु कैण्ड्स् आफ् अङ्गास्। यत्र यत्र पित् प्रत्ययः तत्र रुनध् इति श्रूयते। रुणद्धि, रुणत्सि, रुणद्मि, अरुणत्, अरुणत्, रुणद्धु. Remember, by the time you are through with this, you should be very, very conversant with the pit pratyayas. You don't need to remember the apit. If you remember the pit, everything else is apit. So pit is very easy. There are 6 which are haladi. Ti, si, mi in lat, tis in lang, tu in lot. Only 6 are pit and haladi. And there are 7 more which are pit and ajadi. 6 in lot, ani, ava, ama, ai, avahai, amahai, and 1 in lung. That is all. Only these 6 plus 7 pratyayas are pit. The rest is all apit. So please make sure you are very, very sure of the pit pratyayas. It's very easy to remember. So wherever you say pit, remember these 6 plus 7 as those 2 sets, then everything else will become easy. So wherever you have pit, you hear runadh. I said runadhi, runatsi, runadmi, arunat, arunat, and runadhu. Even in the ajadi, ऋणधानी ऋणधाव ऋणधाम ऋणधै ऋणधावहै ऋणधामहै अरुणधम सर्वत्र ऋणध इति श्रूयते पित्सु प्रत्ययेषु अन्येषु अपित्सु प्रत्ययेषु रुन्ध ऋणद्धि रुन्धः रुन्धन्ति ऋणत्सि रुन्धः रुन्ध ऋणद्मि रुन्ध्वः रुन्ध्मः सर्वत्र अपित्सु प्रत्ययेषु रुन्ध इति अङ्गं श्रूयते. So all dhatus have these two kinds of angas, runadh rundh, bhinad bhind, chinad chind, pinash pimsh, and so on. Okay. अन्यः एकः अंशः अल्लोपे कृते णत्वं न भवति. यत्र अकारः श्रूयते तत्र ऋणध इति निमित्ते सति. If there is nimitta, either repha or shakara, we will hear the nakara ऋणध prinat ityadi prinach whatever. But once you delete the akara, you have rundh. अत्र किं भवति? नश्चापदान्तस्य झलि इत्यनेन नकारस्य अनुस्वारः अनुस्वारस्य यै परसवर्णः इत्यनेन परसवर्णः सर्वत्र भवति. Because as I already said, all dhatus are jhalantas. So everywhere nakara is followed by jhal. सर्वत्र अनुस्वारः भवति, अनुस्वारे कृते परसवर्णः भवति. Now अनुस्वारः सिद्धः णत्वविधायक सूत्रं प्रति. नत्वसूत्र रसाभ्यां नोणसमानपदे or अट्कुम्पं व्यवायेपि will always know the anuswara because anuswara nashchapadantasya jhali is in the 8-3. नत्वसूत्र is 841 842. अतः अनुस्वारः सिद्धः परसवर्णः असिद्धः. Parasavarna is always asiddha because it comes later in the fourth pada. So according to the Natva Sutra, always there is only anuswara as soon as the akara is deleted. So akarasya lope nakarasya anuswarah bhavati. Ataha atra natvam na bhavati. It's a very common doubt which will arise. You already have ru. Why is this na not converted to nakara? Okay. So there have been cases where I myself have thought about this for like hours together, wondering why no natva. So it's a simple point to miss. So allope krite natvam na bhavati. इदानीं हल् सन्धिः यथा दृष्टं सर्वाणि अङ्गानि झलन्तानि. Okay, there is no angakarya. The only angakarya is the shnasor allopah. So anyani sarvani karyani sandhi karyani, simple joining of the letters. You have a jhal, so the jhal can undergo various changes, especially in apadanta. If we have studied some of the hal sandhi sutras also, the normal hal sandhi sutras which we study happen to be the padanta sandhis. So apadanta, there are quite a few sandhis which will not have been studied so far. So let us see. So हल् सन्धिः सामान्य सूत्राणि अधीतानि. जष्ट्वं जष्ट्वविधायकं सूत्रद्वयमस्ति. झलां जशोन्ते इत्यनेन पदान्ते झलां जश् भवति. झलां जश् झषि इत्यनेन अपदान्ते झषि परे when followed by झष् झ भ घ ढ धष् ज ब ग ढ दश् झषि परे झलां जश् भवति अपदान्ते. Chartvasyapi sutradvayam kharicha operates in apadanta. I mean, it operates everywhere, but as far as we are considered in tinganta prakriya, so padasya madhye yadi khar varnah asti tarhi kharicha ityanena tasmat purvasya jhalah chartvam bhavati. Vavasane avasane yadi jhal varnah asti tarhi vavasane ityanena vaikalpikam chartvam. So whenever we apply vavasane, there are two forms. One with the first letter at the end and the other with the third letter of the varga at the end. Arunad, arunat. And you have avinak, avinag, and so on. Sarveshu vargeshu prathama varnasya ekam rupam, tritiya varnasya ekam rupam bhavati, yatra vavasane ityanena chartvam kriyate. Shtutvam shtunashtuhu iti sutrena shakara tavargabhyam yoge. Whenever preceded or followed by shakara tavarga, Sakaratvargayoh sthane Shakaratvargaah bhavanti. So the sa will become sha, takarasya takaraha, thakarasya thakaraha ityadi shtutvam bhavati. पाक्षिकः लोपः झरोझरि सवर्णे हलः परस्य झरः लोपः वा स्यात् सवर्णे झरि. So if you have a hal and you have a jhar, jhar is 1, 2, 3, 4 of each varga, and you have shashasar, shashasa. Those are the jhar letters. So when followed by the savarna, they are optionally deleted. Please remember, this is savarna. It need not be the same letter. Any letter of that varga will do. So tasmin varge ye varnaha sarveshu pareshu. Say for example, if you have ta, it can be deleted if followed by the or if followed by the and so on. Any letter of the varga, of the same varga if you have, it is optionally deleted. So again you will have two forms when we apply Jharojhari Savarne. Etaha प्राधान्येन अथवा प्रमुखाः हल्सन्धयः सामान्याः हल्सन्धयः. So we will now see the exercise. So Sasutram Rupam Sadhayata. You just have to apply all possible sutras and tell me what is the final form in this case. Okay. So it's pretty easy, I hope, except a couple. So those who want to try. Yes, Ravichandanji, you can start.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so first one is Binad. Let me take that. So Binad plus T, so it will be Binatti Karicha.
खरिच तकारः खर्वर्णः अतः दकारस्य स्थाने तकारः भिनत्ति भिनत्ति इति रूपम्.
I want to try actually the last few because that was more challenging.
You can try again if nobody else volunteers. Okay. Let us see. You can tell one more. It's okay. We'll take.
Okay. Okay. Binad, Binda Taha, Binta Taha. There's a takara because Karicha. Or it can also be Bintaha with a Jarojari Savarne. The one takara gets deleted.
So भिन्दतः अत्र खरिच इत्यनेन चत्वे कृते भिन्ततः भिन्तः तत्र नकारः हल् तकारः झर् हलः परस्य झरः लोपः वा स्यात् सवर्णे झरि. Since the middle takara is followed by another takara, the middle one is optionally deleted, so you get bhintaha with a single takara or bhintataha with two takaras. Okay. Yeah, thank you. So others. Rao Mahodaya.
Yeah, the third one. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. The third one is Bhinad plus C. C is a pit pratyaya. So there is no lope of the akara. It will still be Bhinad plus C. There is Kharicha ityanena Bhinad C. Seshta.
Bhinatsi. Kharicha ityanena dakarasya, because sakara is also khar, you have bhinatsi. Next.
You want me to do the fourth one?
Yes.
Okay. Bhinad plus thaha. That is a apit pratyaya. So the akara gets elided and bhintaha or bhin with additional takara bhintaha. Vavasane and jharo jhari savarne. These two sutras will apply.
Not vavasane, kharicha. Because
Okay, kharicha.
vavasane will apply only if it is at the end with this one. So you will have bhint thaha. Kharicha ityanena chartve dakarasya sthane takarah. Bhint thaha. Jharo jhari savarne iti lope bhinthaha with only thakara or bhint thaha. Iti rupadvayam bhavati. Okay. Yes, Mahadevan. Okay. Yeah. Huh. Hmm. Yes, it is also important to know when not to apply anything. So when to stop the prakriya is also important to know. So bhinadmi kimapi na bhavati. There is no karya. Bhinadmi. So because ma is not jhal, you will not have any karya. Bhinadmi ityeva rupam. Agrimam. Hmm. Hmm. Ha. Vavasane ityanena vaikalpikam chartvam. You have a jhal at the avasana, so it is optionally converted to char. Ataha chartve krite. Sorry. चर्त्वे कृते अभिनत् इति रूपं चर्त्वस्य अभावे अभिनद् एवं रूपद्वयं भवति. अस्तु. नेक्स्ट्. सरलगोपन् महोदय. हा वदतु.
Chint plus say. Chint first letter. Chint say. Chint say.
खरिच इत्यनेन चर्त्वे छिन्त्से इति रूपं. हा.
And Akarnat. Very difficult to see the Sandhi there, but if the previous step was Akranat plus Yit, Yit about the change.
Satyam. Then you cannot stop there. If you have Akranat, Jhalam Jashonte.
Then you can have your Jalam.
Yes. Tell.
Jalam Jashonte iti. Akranat. Valasane. Iti Akranat also stays. Both of them.
Yeah. So अत्र किं भवति झलां जशोन्ते इत्यनेन जष्ट्वं भवति because पदान्ते झलां जश् भवति. So you get अकृनद्. जष्ट्वे कृते वावसाने इत्यनेन वैकल्पिकं चर्त्वं. चर्त्वे कृते पुनः तकारः. You can have optionally the takara back. So अकृनत् अकृनद् इति रूपद्वयम्. आदौ झलां जशोन्ते इति जष्ट्वं because जष्ट्व comes first everywhere. 8-2. So जष्ट्वे कृते खरिच क्षम्यतां वावसाने इत्यनेन चर्त्वं. सो अकृनद् अकृनत् इति रूपद्वयं भवति. नेक्स्ट् सुधाकर.
रुन्ध ध्वम् इति
झलां झषि इत्यनेन रुन्ध्वम्.
Then
The next one.
No, once you do jhalam jhashi, rund dhvam, you can have jharojhari savarne because the and the are savarnas of each other. Ataha,
So then it becomes rundhvam.
one form will be rundhvam with single dhakara. The other form will be rund dhvam. Iti dakara dhakarayoh ubhayorapi shravanam bhavati. We didn't do the 9th one, Sudhakar Mahoday.
Oh, 9th one. Rundh swa. With vavasane, it will become rundswa.
Kharicha. See, vavasane will apply only at the end.
Okay, so yeah, kharicha, it is rundswa, the takara. And does it also have rundswa with vavasane?
No, it will not have, because takara and sakara are not savarnas of each other, because there is a change in the prayatna, abhyantara prayatna. Yeah. So takara is not savarna of sakara, even though they have the same sthana. Takarasya sprushta prayatnaha and sakarasya vivrataha athava ishad vivrataha prayatnaha. So they are not savarnas of each other. Only all letters of the same varga, among vargiya vyanjanas, letters of the same varga are savarnas of each other. Taha runthva ityatra takarasya shravanam bhavati. Remember, always in the middle of the word it will be kharicha. Only at the end of the word, like akrinat or abhinat, you can have vavasane. So most common in the middle of the word, chartva is always by kharicha. And as somebody points out, yes, we in akrinat we forgot the natva. Akrinat, akrinad. Rivarnanasya natvam vachyam ityanena natvam bhavati. Natve krite vavasane ityanena chartvam. Okay. So natvam bhavati akrinat ityatra. Okay. So there is one more question. Rundhvam ityatra chartvam na bhavati. Rundhvam dhakaraha khar varnaha na. अतः चर्त्वं न भवति केवलं जष्ट्वं झलां झषि इति जष्ट्वं रुन्ध्ध्वं झरोझरि सवर्णे इति पाक्षिकः लोपः रुन्ध्वं रुन्ध्ध्वम् इति. Okay. Yes, Paul.
Okay. Shinash plus T becomes Shinashti by Stunashtu.
So Stunashtu, Shinashti. Next one.
And then Shinsh plus Taha becomes Sinshtaha by again Stunashtu. Sorry, just Stunashtu.
You also have the anuswara here. Nashcha padantasya jhali ityanena anuswaraha bhavati nakarasya. So shmushtaha.
I didn't know we were doing that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Exactly. Yes.
So first we do the anuswara. Shimshtaha. Shtunashtuhu ityanena shtutve shimshtaha iti rupam.
Yes. Number 14.
13.
13. Okay, 13. Shinsh thaha. Shtunashtuhu. Shinsh thaha. Tatparam nakarasya anuswara bhavati. Nascha padantasya jhali. Shinsh thaha.
शिंष्टः satyam adau anuswaraha anantaram shtutvam because the anuswara sutra is 8-3, shtutva is 8-4.
Thanks.
Next 14.
शिंवः अत्र केवलं नकारस्य अनुस्वारः भवति नश्चापदान्तस्य झलि शिंश्वः
शिंश्वः सम्यक्
शिंश्वः.
Okay. Sorry, you said something?
I said next, but that's all right. That's all right.
No, sorry. Okay, so next one, probably what's this? Yes, Sharma Mahodaya.
स्थापदान्तस्य जलित्यनेन अनुस्वारः संष्ठी फलाञ्जस्थि इत्यनेन शिण्ढि ष्टुनाष्टु इत्यनेन शिण्ढि अनुस्वारस्य पेरसवर्णः इत्यनेन शीणकार डकार ढि झरोझरिसवर्णे शिण्ढि.
सम्यक् शिंश धि अत्र आदौ अनुस्वारः शिंश धि झलां झषि इति झष्ट्वं भवति अतः you get झष्ट्वा for the shakara. शकारस्य झष्ट्वे डकारः भवति. शकारः मूर्धन्यवर्णः ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा अतः झष् वर्णेषु मूर्धन्यः डकारः. So sh will be replaced by d. You have shind dhi. धकारस्य ष्टुत्वे शिण्ड ढि इति भवति. धकारस्य स्थाने ढकारः आदेशः. So you have parasavarna, you get shind dhi. Now you have dakara and dhakara which are savarnas of each other. अतः झरोझरि सवर्णे इत्यनेन लोपे शिण्ढि इति एकं रूपं शी ण ढि. अपरं रूपं शि ण ड ढि शिण्ढि इति द्वितीयम्. Next.
Swamiji, I have a comment here.
Yes. एकं क्षणं शर्मा महोदय. रविचंदन जी.
See, I know the prakriya you went, but Bhaimi gives it Stunashtuhu
first. Yeah, I realized that.
Because he has a good this thing on that, shlokam on this. It's given on page 544. He said, Ditve Stutve api anusware, Jashtve parasavarnata, Savarne cha jaro lope, Shinindi Pishindi ti jayate. So because he has given the way to do that. So I thought first he did the thing and then he also given like a karika.
I realized it as you're going on because Shtutva probably comes before the
Correct.
This, I mean the sutra. So Shtunashtuhu comes earlier. So we first convert the dhakara to dhakara. Anantaram jhalam jashchashi ityanena jastam bhavati. Because in Tripadi we always go by the order of sutra numbers. Okay. So Adau, so coming back, Adau Anuswaraha, because it's 8-3-24. So Shimsh Dhi. Anantaram Shtunashtuhu iti Shtutvam. Shimsh Dhi, because it is 8-4-41. Then we have Jhalam Jashchashi, which is 8-4-54, is it? I'm not exactly.
After that we should do Anuswara. Anuswara Parasavarna.
Parasavarna, yeah.
Justve Parasavarnata.
But you cannot.
No, first Justvam, then Parasavarnata.
First Jashtva, because unless you have, you cannot do the Parasavarna. You don't have Yai.
Correct.
So Jashtvam, so you get Shim D Dhi, Anantaram Parasavarnaha. Shind Dhi, Ante Jharojhari Savarne, iti lopa. Shindhi, Shindhi. Sharma Mahodaya, Ashinash.
Ashinash. Ashinad Thalan Jeshonte. वावसाने अशिनट् रूपद्वयमस्ति अशिनड् अशिनट्
सो अत्रापि जष्ट्वं भवति शकारस्य झलां जशोन्ते इति सूत्रेण अतः अशिनड् जष्ट्वे कृते वावसाने इति चर्त्वं चर्त्वे अशिनट् इति रूपं चर्त्वाभावे अशिनड् ओके पद्मा मम्मी No, no, there is no shtutva because it's both sakara and tavarga. So shtutva comes only if there is sha or tavarga. अतः अत्र केवलम् अनुस्वारः दश्चापदान्तस्य झलि इति अनुस्वारे हिंस्तः इत्येव रूपम्. नेक्स्ट् वन् no, because sa itself is char. Even if you apply vavasane, you would have still sakara only. Atra sakaraha at the end you have ramas. So as soon as you have sakara at the end, kim bhavati? ससजुषोरुः इत्यनेन रुत्वे अहिनर् अनन्तरं विसर्गः खरवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः अहिनः. So rutvam visargah for sakara.
We can also have jalam jashante ahinad, then vavasane chartvam ahinat.
Sasajushoruhu is apavada to jashtva.
So we cannot have that
no.
Those two acting. Okay.
No, because sasajushoruhu is padante sakarasya rutvam apavada to jashtva.
I thought in some book they have given 3 forms. I can give you I think some dhatu. That's why I thought they.
Is it?
I think, yeah, I given.
But I mean, once you have vavasana, you cannot have the rutva visarga at all. I mean, if you have.
No. They are given 3 forms. They're given as an optional. Either you apply sasajosho ruhu and then go that path, or jalam jashante and.
No.
Okay, maybe that book is wrong then.
No, because ahinas you have the rutva is always apavada to jashtva, because sarvatra padante, as soon as you have padante sakara, jhalam jashonte should apply. Sarvatra sakarasya dakara eva bhavet. Tasya apavadattvena sasajushoruhu iti rutvam arabhyate. Because everywhere sasajushoruhu is padante, jhalam jashonte is also padante. So same domain. So jashtva is utsarga and rutva is apavada.
Okay.
So you'll have rutva visarga. Okay. Yes, Vasuji. Sorry? Cannot hear you. It's very low.
Yeah, in another book also 3 forms are given.
That's why I thought, because I saw a couple of books giving that. That's why I thought.
I'll find out, because at least I know Pushpa Dikshit does not give. She gives only ahinaha. I did not see the other books, but sounds very unlikely unless there is some vartika specifically for himsa dhatu. Because in the normal course, everywhere you have sakara at the padanta, it is jastva and jastvasya apavadaha. That is said. But okay, maybe Shatagopanji has something to say.
See, in the example number 15, was there a scope for Vavas Jaravajari Savarneva Shind D? Shind D, Ipistite. You will get another form apart from Shindi and Shind D. There will be one Dakar also in between.
Which one? Apart?
3 forms.
Which are the 3 forms?
Shind, Sinch and D, 15. This
No, no.
exercise
What are
number
the three
2.
forms possible forms you are talking about?
No, we said the 2
Huh?
in which there was one Shindi and Shindidi,
Hmm.
in which only the Anuswara became Yai Parasarana.
Hmm.
But previously there was one Dakara in between.
Hmm.
Shindi.
Hmm.
If that Dakara is still there, because will it also be another form? Or there are only 2 forms?
No, wait.
Anyway, you will be sending the exercise solutions. At that
Yeah,
time it
yeah,
will be
I
clear.
have it. I'll
Thank
just show you.
Okay.
So as you can
In
see
any
here, you have the Nashchapadantasya jali. So nakara becomes anuswara. Shtunashtuhu. Dhakara becomes dhakara. And then jhalam jash jhashi. So shakara becomes dakara. Anuswarasya I parasavarnaha. Anuswara becomes nakara. Shind dhi. इदानीं झरोत्सरि सवर्ण इत्यनेन डकारस्य लोपः यः शिण्ढि अतः शिण्ढि इति एकं रूपं लोपस्य अभावे शिण्ड् ढि इति अपरं रूपं 2 forms.
Thank you.
Okay.
Soumyaji, I got the answer. This is a lung form, right? Ahinat is a lung form, right? So if ahinat is a lung, then siti dhatohu urva iti va ruhu. So there the optional rutva is there. So that's why that's why we do the ahinat and ahinat. That is the ahinat and ahinat. Then if it is a rutva is optional, then you get back your.
Rutva is optional, you get jastva, yes.
Yes, so that's why it has got 3 forms are given in the books. Ahinat, ahinat, and ahinaha, assuming it's a lung form.
So then it is possible. Yes. So that's what, unless there is a new vidhi, it is impossible to get that optional for the rutva. Yes. So that in that case, 3 forms are possible. Thank you, Ramichandranji. So if there is an optional rutva, then you have as he said in lung lakara, you can have 3. Atratu, if it is a lung one, you have only the ahina. Okay. Okay. I think okay, we are in the last ones. There is nothing much. So Himsudhi, one thing which I gave out of syllabus, I guess. We have not done this sutra. So it will be Hindi. There is a dhicha iti sakarasya lopaha bhavati. Agre pashyamaha. We have not done this so far. Hindi the rupam. And trunh yat. Nashchapadantasya jhali ityanena nakarasya anusware trumhyat iti rupam. Okay. So these are the common sandhis. So we will go back to the prakriya. Any questions with these? Sharma Mahodaya?
अत्र अहिनस्य इत्यत्र अहं तिप्यनस्तेः इति सूत्रं पश्यामि.
तिप्यनस्तेः तत्रापि रुत्वं किल रुत्वस्य सूत्रं. Just a second.
सूत्रं नास्ति.
1 second.
रूपद्वयमस्ति अहिनत् अहिनत्.
I'll look this up. I'm sorry because I'm getting confused because ahinas tipyanastehe. Kim sutra sankhya? Chinta nasti. I can find it out. Just 1 second. So yes, as you can see, it is just before the sipi dhator urva. So tipyanastehe ityasti. No. 8273. So as I said again, there is a this one. Anastehe tipi daha. Vasus from sudhvams vanaduham daha. So if it is a tip pratyaya, see ahinas can be derived in different ways. You have the ahinas. If you originally had tip and not sip. So if it is langlakara prathama purusha ekavachana, you have ahinas and t. Tatra हल्न्याभ्यो दीर्घादित्यनेन तकारस्य लोपे तिप्यनस्तेः इत्यनेन दत्वं भवति अहिनद् अहिनत् यदि सकारः अस्ति तर्हि सिपि धातोरुर्वा इति भवेत् yeah so it doesn't say it is lung Ravichandranji. This should apply everywhere. So why does Pushpa Dikshit not mention this? I'll find.
No, lung, because only the book I am referring, he has made a note and says sichi dhatu. So since it's sich, I am assuming it's lung.
But this also says sipi dhatu urva, and that is how I remember it.
Sichi dhatu.
No, sipi. You can see it here. Sipi.
Oh, sipi. Maybe there's a mistake in the other thing. Okay, if it's sipi, is different.
Check this. If it is sip, it should be.
It should be everywhere because I am seeing in that. Dhatu kosha, everywhere they have anat, ahinat. So everywhere they are giving.
If it is tip, it should be only two forms because they say daha. There is no option. If it is sip, it is optional rutva.
Rutva, right.
And then dascha. So optional dakara. So these two sutras. Okay, by the time we come to the himsa dhatu, I'll look it up and let's have a clarity about that. Sorry. Okay. So we'll continue with the next one. So idanim halsandhayaha jnataha. We have a few karyas. We'll not be doing all halsandhis. If you look at Pushpa Dikshit, she deals with all halsandhis in one go. It's very interesting, but I'm taking it step by step as and when we take it. Idanim pratyayalopasya ekam sutram asti. Halgyabhyo dirghat sutisi apraktam hal iti sutram. Halgyabhyaha iti panchami bahuvachanam. Dirghat panchami ekavachanam. Sutisi prathama ekavachanam. Apraktam hal. Lopaha iti anuvartate. Hal jnabhyaha. Halantat, nyantat, abantat. So if the anga ends in hal or ni is the stri pratyayaha. Ni, nish, nin iti trayanam pratyayanam samanyataha nyantam ityanena निर्देशः भवति अतः ञन्तात् आबन्तात् टाप् डाप् चाप् इति त्रयः स्त्री प्रत्ययाः तेषां समूहेन निर्देशः आबन्तः इति सो हलन्तात् ञन्तात् आबन्तात् च परं सु ति सि इत्येतत् अपृक्तं हल् लुप्यते इति सूत्रार्थः अपृक्तं नाम किम् व्हाट इज अपृक्ता Anybody remembers? Apraktam nama kim?
Ekahal apraktam. Ekahal pratyaya.
Ekal pratyaya. Aprakta ekal pratyaya iti sutram asti. So a pratyaya which has a single al, a single letter is called aprakta. It's usually the single hal, the single consonant. So the pratyaya having only one consonant is called aprakta. Now when these three pratyayas su, ti, si एते अपृक्ताः भवन्ति तदा तेषाम् अपृक्तं हल् लुप्यते सु इति सु औजस् स्वादिषु प्रथम प्रत्ययः द प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं प्रत्यय इज सु द उकार इज इत् इत्सम्यकः उकारः तस्य लोपे सर्वदा अपृक्तः ओके so the su is always aprakta because it has only one letter which is s. Okay, So in case of ti and si, ti si iti ting pratyayau, tip and sip. So lang lakare itascha ityanena ikarasya lope. In lang lakara we delete the ikara. So t s iti pratyayau. So tada aprakta samnya bhavati. So when we have only t or only s, they are aprakta. So if they are preceded by hal, halantat parayoho etayoho lopaha bhavati. So for su we find examples in the Subanta Prakarana. For ti and si we find examples here. So halantat, nyantat, abantat cha param su ti si ityetat apraktam hal lupyate iti sutrarthaha. Udaharanam suhrit su ityasti namapada prakarane. You have the, actually it should be suhrid and s because the shabda is dakarantam. So anyway, halantat parasya supratyayasya lopaha. That is why in all halanta shabdas you don't hear the s. So if it is sharad pratyayasya lope, sharad sharadau sharadaha, bhishak bhishajau bhishajah, sarvatra supratyayasya lopaha bhavati. Abhinad t, अत्र इदानीं भिनद् इति धातुः अभिनद् त् ति प्रत्ययः, तस्य अपृक्तहलः लोपे अभिनद् इति शिष्यते. अरुणद् स्, so this is si. So अत्र सकारस्य लोपे अरुणद् इति शिष्यते. Okay. Su, ti and si. Si is missing, but that is there. Okay. So this is for hal. Halah paresham su ti si ityetesham lopaha. In the Strilinga Prakarana, you will also find examples for ni and ap. Yatha rama su sthite abantaha. Ataha supratyasya lope rama. Rama rame ramaha. Gauri इत्यस्मात् सुप्रत्यये न्यन्तात् परस्य सोः लोपः गौरी. So hal ज्ञाभ्यः दीर्घात्. So दीर्घा is for न्यन्ता and abanta. Su ti si इत्येतत् अपृक्तं हल लुप्यते इति सूत्रार्थः. Okay. So in this Rudhadigana, everywhere in Langlakara you will find application of this. So sarvatra taka t s ityetayoho lopaha bhavati halgyabhyo dirghat sutisya praktam hal iti sutrena. Another karya which happens commonly in the Rudhadigana is hujalbhyo herdhihi. हुझल्भ्यः इति पंचमी बहुवचनम, हे इति षष्ठी एकवचनम, धिः इति प्रथमा एकवचनम, हलि इति अनुवर्तते, अंगस्य इत्यधिकारः, हु धातोः. So the hu here is the hu dhatu, the first dhatu of the juhotyadigana, juhoti dhatuः. झल्भ्यः झलन्ताच्च अंगात् परस्य हलादेः हे. When the he is haladi, beginning with hal, dhi adeshah bhavati. Okay. For example, you have juhu hi, hu dhatuhu. So serhya picha ityanena si ityasya sthane hi. Idanim hujalbhyo herdhihi ityanena hi ityasya sthane dhi. You have juhu dhi. Evam bhind hi, d iti jhal. झलः परस्य हेहे धी भवति भिन्धि रुन्धि इत्यादीनि रूपाणि. Since all angas in Rudhadigana are jhalantas, Rudhadigane sarvatra hujalbhyo herdhihi ityanena hehe sthane dhi adeshah bhavati. So everywhere we treat the pratyaya itself as dhi instead of hi. Okay. So etat karyadvayam Rudhadigane sarvatra bhavati. Ekam halgyabhyo dirghat sutisya praktam hal ityanena त स इत्येतयोः लोपः लङ्लकारे सर्वेभ्यः धातुभ्यः भवति हुजल्भ्यो हेर्धिः लोट्लकारे परस्मैपदे मध्यमपुरुष एकवचने हि इत्यस्य स्थाने धि आदेशः भवति. Okay, so this is with regard to the pratyayas. So the pratyaya part undergoes modification in the Rudhadiganam. Okay. Now let us go to the Rupa Siddhi for each of the angas. So before that, ekah prashnaha haladehe ityasya kaha sambandhaha iti. There is haladehe hehe. He is always haladi, right? Because there is hakara. There are some cases where there is an idagama for he. Rudihi, swapihi ityadeshu rud iti dhatuhu pratyayasya idagame ihi iti pratyayah. So sthanivad bhavena ayam hi pratyaya eva kintu haladihi nasti atah tatra dhitvam na bhavati. So the dhitva is only when he remains as haladi and does not have the agama. Okay. Agre saramaha, we will go by the ending letter so that it is easier to practice the forms. So chakarantani angani. We have vich, shnamikrate, vinach, rich, rinach, tanch, shnamikrate, tananch, shnan nalopaha ityanena nakarasya lope tanach, prich, prunach. Ete chattvaraha dhatavaha चकारान्ताः सन्ति गणे एतेषां कथं रूपाणि भवन्ति इति पश्यामः. यत्र चकारान्तम् अङ्गं भवति तत्र कुत्वस्य प्रसक्तिः चोः कुः इति सूत्रमस्ति. चोः इति षष्ठी एकवचनं, कुः इति प्रथमैकवचनं. सो अन्ते इति अनुवर्तते झलि इत्यपि. पदस्य इत्यधिकारः पदान्ते झलि झलि पदान्ते च चोः कुः. चोः चु इत्यस्य षष्ठी. चु इति चवर्गः अणुदित् सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः. अविधीयमानः अण् उदित् च सवर्णस्य संज्ञा स्यात्. कु चु टु तु पु एते उदितः. सो कु इत्यनेन कवर्गः, चु इत्यनेन चवर्गः गृह्यते. चवर्गस्य कवर्गः आदेशः स्यात् झलि पदान्ते च इति सूत्रार्थः. Okay. So चवर्गस्य कवर्गादेशः भवति. यथा विनच् ति इत्यस्ति. चकारस्य झलि परे तकार इस् झल्. झलि परे चकारस्य कुत्वम् कुत्वम् इति चेत् ककारः. सिन्स् च इस् द फस्ट् लेटर् ककारः भवति. विनक्ति इति रूपं. विनच् ति विनक्ति. अविनच् त् हल्ज्ञाभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्य प्रक्तं हल इत्यनेन तकारस्य लोपः. यु हेव् अविनच्. ततः चकारस्य चोः कुः इत्यनेन कुत्वं पदान्ते. सो झलि पदान्ते. झलि परे अपि कुत्वं भवति, पदान्ते अपि कुत्वं भवति. कुत्वे कृते अविनक् इति भवति. Okay. So there is one question where we did not do the natva. So natva comes later. So that is why I have not taken it here. अत्र तु श्नम् अस्ति. अग्रे किं भवति इति अनन्तरं पश्यामः. सो इदानीं चोः कुः यत्र यत्र चवर्गान्तम् अङ्गं भवति तत्र चवर्गस्य कवर्गः आदेशः. सो नौ यत्र चकारान्तम् अङ्गं पिति झलि you have the pit pratyayas ti si mi t s and tu. Tatra piti झलि अथवा पदान्ते कुत्वं भवति. Okay. So vinach becomes vinak. Okay. Apiti झलि. If it is not pit and begins with झल् तदा आदौ श्नसोर् अल्लोपः इत्यनेन अल्लोपः भवति. ततः चोः कुः इत्यनेन कुत्वं भवति. ततः anuswara parasavarnau. You have vinach. Shnasor allopah ityanena allope vin ch. Choh kuhu ityanena kutve vin k. Nashchapadantasya jhali ityanena anusware vink. Anuswarasya I parasavarnah vink iti shruyate. So if it is pit, you hear vinak. If it is apit, you hear vink. Apiti ajhali. If it is not pit and does not start with jhal, then you have allopa. Shnasor allopaha ityanena allopaha bhavati. You have vinach becomes vinch. Anuswaraha parasavarnaha. You hear vinch. Okay. So there are again 4 kinds. If it is pit and jhaladi pratyayah, jhali athava padante, you hear vinak. If it is apit, you hear vink. If it is not jhal and apit, you hear vinch. Anyatra vinach ityeva shruyate. So we will see it one by one. As you can see in the pit pratyayas, jhali padante. So ti, si, tu iti jhal. T, s अत्र हल्ङ्याभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्य प्रक्तं हल इत्यनेन लोपे you get पदान्त. अतः सर्वत्र विनक् चोः कुः इत्यनेन कुत्वं भवति विनक्ति विनक्षि विनक् सि आदेशप्रत्ययोः इत्यनेन सकारस्य षत्वे विनक्षि विनक्तु अविनक् अविनक् इति सर्वत्र विनक् कुत्वं भवति. There is only kutva. So then you have the other set. You have apit and jhaladi. Tatra kim bhavati vinach shnasor allopaha vinach taha shnasor allopaha ityanena allope vinach taha choh kuhu iti kutve vinak taha नश्चापदान्तस्य झलि इत्यनेन अनुस्वारे विम्क तः अनुस्वारस्य इ परसवर्णः विङ्क विङ्क्तः विङ्क्थः विङ्क्थ विङ्क्ते विङ्क्षे अविङ्क्ताम् अविङ्क्तम् अविङ्क्त अविङ्क्ता अविङ्क्ताः अविङ्क्ध्वम्. You have the अविङ्क्ध्वम्. झलां जश् झषि इत्यनेन अत्र जष्ट्वं भवति अविङ्ग्ध्वम्. सो ककारस्य स्थाने गकारः अविङ्ग्ध्वम्. विङ्क्तात् विङ्क्तां विङ्ग्धि. So wherever you have the dha, you have झलां जश् झषि in addition. So vink becomes ving. Vingdhi viङ्क्तात् विङ्क्तं विङ्क्त विङ्क्तां विङ्क्ष्व. अत्रापि आदेशप्रत्ययोः इति षत्वं विङ्क्ष्व विङ्ग्ध्वं विङ्क्ध्वं विङ्ग्ध्वं. So apiti झलादौ विङ्क् इति रूपं भवति. So you have the ajhal, those which is not jhaladi. So vinach shnasor allopaha ityanena allope vin ch अनुस्वारः परसवर्णः विञ्च विञ्चन्ति विञ्च्वः विञ्च्मः विञ्चाते विञ्चते विञ्चाथे विञ्चे विञ्च्वहे विञ्च्महे अविञ्चन् अविञ्च्व अविञ्च्म विञ्चातां विञ्चत विञ्चाथां अविञ्चातां अविञ्चत अविञ्चाथां अविञ्चि अविञ्च्वहि अविञ्च्महि विञ्चातां विञ्चतं विञ्चातां विञ्चतां विञ्चाथां विञ्च्यात् विञ्च्यातां विञ्च्युः विञ्च्याः विञ्च्यातं विञ्च्यात विञ्च्यां विञ्च्याव विञ्च्याम विञ्चीत विञ्चीयातां विञ्चीरन् विञ्चीथाः विञ्चीयाथां विञ्चीध्वं विञ्चीय विञ्चीवहि विञ्चीमहि. So all these pratyayas you hear the vinch. allopaha, anuswaraha, parasavarnaha. For the rest, which is pit pratyayas, which are not jhaladi, vinach ityeva bhavati. Kimapi karyam nasti. Vinachmi, vinachani, vinachava, vinachama, vinachai, vinachavahai, vinachamahai, avinacham. Okay. So ayam visheshaha jhalam jhashi. So vink dhve. So remember the jhaladi pratyayas, they begin with 4 letters. T, th, s and dh. So t, th, s are khar letters. Dh is a jhash letter. Ataha dhakare pare vink dhve iti sthite jhalam jhashi ityanena jashtve vingdhve vingdhvam vingdhi iti bhavati. So 3 places you hear the g instead of the k. And 4, sorry, avingdhvam. Chaturshu sthaleshu jhalam jhashi ityanena jashtvam api bhavati. And in the lang lakara, you have avinak, right? So you have avinach t, halyabhyo dirghat sutisya praktam hal ityanena takarasya lopaha. You have avinach. Tatra choh kuho ityanena kutve avinak. Kutve krute jhalam jashonte ityanena jashtvam bhavati avinag. Tataha vavasane ityanena punaha chartve rupadvayam avinak avinag. Okay. So we will see this again. As you can see, ti, si, tu. Here you have vinak. Choh kuho ityanena kutvam bhavati. Yatra jhaladihi pratyayah, the purple ones, you hear vink. Allopaha, kutvam, anuswaraha, parasavarnaha. So wherever you see the green, which is dhakaradi, atra allopaha, kutvam, anuswaraha, parasavarnaha, there is also jashtva, because this is, you hear ving, vingdhve, vingdhi, avingdhvam, vingdhvam. Okay. So the others, the rest of the cases, you hear vinch. So vinchanti, vinchvaha, vinchmaha. So yatra apit and it is not jhaladi, you hear vinch. So if it is pit, there is nothing, you hear vinach. Okay. So let us practice. So vinakti, vinktaha, vinchanti, vinakshi, vinktaha, vinktha, vinachmi. So this is yellow. Vinachmi, vinchvaha, vinchmaha. Vinkte, vinchate, vinchate. Vinkshe, vinchathe, vingdhve. Vinche, vinchvahe, vinchmahe. Vinaktu. So this is the orange. So vinaktu. Vinaktu, vinktat, vinktam, vinchantu. Vingdhi, vinktat, vinktam, vinkta. Vinachani, vinachava, vinachama. Vinktam, vinchatam, vinchatam. Vinkshva, vinchatham, vingdhvam. Vinachai, vinachavahai, vinachamahai. So avinak, avinag. As I said, you have avinak. So jashtva, chartva. So you have avinak, avinag. Avinktam, avinchan. Avinak, avinag. Avinktam, avinkta. Avinacham, avinchva, avinchma. Avinkta, avinchatam, avinchata. Avinkthaha, avinchatham, avingdhvam. Avinchi, avinchvahi, avinchmahi. Vinchyat, vincyatam, vinchuhu. Vincyaha, vincyatam, vinchyata. Vinchyam, vinchyava, vinchyama. Vinchita, vinchiyatam, vinchiran. Vinchithaha, vinchiyatham, vinchidhvam. Vinchiya, vinchivahi, vinchimahi. Okay. So the main anga is vinach. So if it is pit, it becomes vinak with only chohkuhu. If it is apit and not jhaladi, you have vinach, allope krite vinach, anusware parasavarne vinch. So from vinak you have kutva, allopa, anuswara parasavarna you have vink. So when followed by dhakara, which is chash, vink becomes ving by jashtvam. So you hear 5 kinds of beginnings here. Clear with this? Any questions? So if you have the other dhatu, rich, everything is the same except you have the natva. Rinach, rinak. Atkupangnyam yavayepi ityanena natvam bhavati. So you have rinakti, rinktaha, rinchanti. So rink, ring, rinch, rinak, rinach. Allope krite natvasya prasangah nasti. Allope akrite eva natvam. Okay. Does anybody want to try telling the forms of these? Looking at this. You have the flowchart. You just have to tell the forms. This is oral practice. Anybody wants to try?
I can try the first one if you want.
Yeah, try it out.
Okay, rinakti, rinaktaha, rinchanti.
Rinakti?
Yeah, rinaktaha.
No, rinktaha.
Rinktaha. Okay, rinktaha, sorry. Rinakti, rinktaha, rinchanti. Rinakshi, rinktaha, rinktaha. Rinachmi, rinachmi, rinchvaha, rinchmaha. Rinakshe, rinakte.
Rinkte.
Oh, sorry, rinkte.
Yeah.
Rinkte, rinchate, rinchate. Rinkshe, rinchate. Ring dve with a dhakara. Ring dve.
Ring dve.
Yeah, ring dve. Then rinche, rinch mahe,
rinch vahe,
rinch mahe. Rinch mahe.
Yes. Anybody else want to try the other lakara? So I think there are a few. Yes. Himamshu.
Lot lakarah. Rinaktu. Rinktat. Rinktam. Rinchantu.
Rinchantu.
Ringdhi. Rinktat. Rinktam. Rinkata. Rinachani. Rinachava. Rinachama. Rinkatam. Rinchatam. Rinchatam. Ringshwa. Ringchatham. Ringdhvam.
Ringdhvam.
Ringdhvam. Rinachai. Rinachavahi. Rinachamahai.
Samyak. Okay. Next. Anybody else? Yes, Hema Bhagini.
Rinak.
Rinak.
Rinak eva tatra.
Arinak. You also have Arinag.
Arinak. Arintam. Arinchan.
Arinchan. So,
Arinak,
Hmm.
Arinkam,
Hmm.
Arinka,
Hmm.
Arincham,
Arinacham. This is
Arinacham,
Hmm.
Arinchva,
Hmm.
Arinchma,
Hmm.
Arinka,
Hmm.
Arinchapam, Arinchata,
Hmm.
Arinkaha,
Hmm.
Arinchapatham,
Hmm.
Arindhvam,
Hmm.
Arinchi,
Hmm.
Arinchvahi, Arinchmahi.
Ha. Samyak. So in Vidhiling, everywhere it is rinch, right? So rinchiat, rinchiatam, rinchuhu. So we'll just leave this. So we have the next one. So others can try it. So you have tach. The actual dhatu is tanch. So shnami krute tananch. Shnan nalopaha ityanena natve tanach iti angam. So again you have tanach, tanak, tank, tang, tanch. Okay. So Bhanu Prakash, Madhya, want to try? Hari Om. Na shruyate. No, we cannot hear you, Bhanu Prakash ji. I'll check your mic once, if it is on or if it's not. No, we cannot hear you. There may be some problem with the mic, probably. I'm sorry. Yeah, no problem. So we will try with Sudhakar Mahodaya.
लट्लकारः तनक्ति तङ्क्तः तञ्चन्ति तनक्षि तङ्क्थः तङ्क्ता तनच्मि तञ्च्वः तञ्च्मः आत्मनेपदे तङ्क्ते तञ्चाते तञ्चते तङ्क्षे तञ्चाथे तङ्धे तञ्चे तञ्च्वहे तञ्च्महे.
Thank you. Paul, want to try?
Yes. Okay. So tanaktu, tanktat, tanktam, tanchantu. Tagdhi.
Tangdhi.
Tangdhi. Yeah, tangdhi. Okay. Taktat. Taktam. Tankta. 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 Tanktam. Tankta. Tanach. Tanachani. Tanachava. Tanachava. Tanktam. Tanchantam. Tanchatam. Tankshva. Tanchatam. Tangdham. Tanachai. Tanachavahai. Tanachamahai.
Yes. So next there is Aruna.
Thank you. Atanak. Atanak. Anaktam.
Atanktam.
And
this is tank. So atanktam.
Atanktam. Atanchan. Atanak.
Atanak.
Anaktam.
Atanktam. Atanktam. It is tank.
Atanktam. Atanktam. Atanacham. Atancham. Anathava.
Atanchva. Atanchva.
Oh, I'm sorry. Atanchma. I'm sorry.
No.
Atmanepada. Atanka. Atanchatam. Atanchata. Anaktaha.
Atanktaha.
Atanktaha. Atanchatam. Anagdhvam.
Atangdhvam.
Anagdhvam. Atangdhvam.
Atanchi.
Atanchi. Atanchvahi. Atanchmahi.
Yes. Good. So again, in Vidhiling, it's always tanchi. Tanchyat, tanchyatam, tanchuhu, etc. So next you have the prich. Atrapi rivarnanasya natvam vachyam ityanena natvam sambhavati. So you have prinach in pit and which is not jhal. So prinak, if it is jhaladi or padanta, you have chohkuhu. Then apitsu, you have prinach, shnasor allopaha, anuswaraha parasavarnaha, you have princh. If it is jhal, you have chohkuhu. And then anuswara parasavarna, prink. Yadi dhakaraha, tarhi jhalam jhashi, pring. Remember, you have to know how to derive these 5. Then practice with these. Okay. So, Rao Mahodaya.
Yeah. The prung dhatu. Prungti.
Prinakti.
Prungti. Prinakti. Prungtaha. Prunchanti. Prunakshi. Prungtaha. Prungta. Prunchmi. Prunachmi. Prunachmi. Prunachvaha. Prunachmaha.
Princhvaha. Because
Princhvaha.
Princhmaha. Allopaha. Princhvaha. Princhmaha.
Princhmaha. Okay. Prungte. Prunchate. Prunchate. Prunchve.
Prunkshe.
Prunkshe. Prunchate. Prungdve. Prunche. Prunchvahe. Prunchmahe.
Samek. Others who want to try? Padma. Padma. Pringdhi. Pranachai. Samek. Anjana.
Apranak, apranag, aprantam, apranchan, apranak, apranag, aprantam, aprankta, apranacham, apranchva, apranchma, aprankta, apranchatam, apranchata, apranktaha, apranchatham, aprangdvam, apranchi, apranchvahi, apranchmahi.
Samek. Okay, so and then you have the vidhiling. So it is princyat, princyatam, princyuhu, princyaha, princyatam, princyata, princyam, princyava, princyama. Everywhere it is princh. Okay. So there's a question. So should I change the color of this also? Yeah, maybe I should. I also realized that I'll change it so that it's easier to associate with the princh. Okay, so this is the Chavarganta. Okay, so you have to do two things. First thing, find out what are the sutras to arrive at these five. Kim Kim Bhavati. Then you have this chart and you practice, and the forms will be very easy. Okay, so just 5 minutes. I'll take the next one. Jakarantani Angani. So you have Yuj, Yunaj, Bhanj, Bhananj, Shnannalopaha Ityanena Nalope, Bhanaj, Bhuj, Bhunaj, Anj, Ananj, Anaj, Vij, Vinaj. So you have these five, oh no, one more, Vrij and Vrinaj. So these six angas which are Jakarantas. Etesham kim bhavati? Etesham api choh kuho ityanena kutvam bhavati. So they also have kutva. You get the same five this. So yatra apit tatra yunaj. Sorry, yatra pit tatra yunaj. Piti jhali युनग कुत्वं भवति कुत्वे कृते युनग खरिच इत्यनेन चर्त्वे युनक् सो यू हैव युनक्ति युङ्क् सो युङ्क्तः युङ्क्तः इत्यादिषु कुत्वं चर्त्वं युङ्क् सो wherever there is dhakara it is yung अन्यत्र सर्वत्र युञ्ज् the same five kinds but there is a difference in prakriya. For example, if you see vinachti choh kuhu ityanena kutve vinakti. Okay, so vinch dhvam. So you have vinach dhvam, shnasor allopaha, vinch dhvam, choh kuhu, vink dhvam, anuswara, vink dhvam, ving dhvam. Okay, you have anuswara and then jhalam jhashi, so you get ving dhvam. Anusware krite parasavarne. I think there is here. Just a second. So kutvam anantaram jashtvam bhavati. अत्र किं भवति युनजति चोः कुः इत्यनेन कुत्वे कृते युनगति खरिच इत्यनेन चर्त्वे युनक्ति. So you have kharicha in addition to kutva. Here since you already have that char, you don't need the kharicha. So choh kuhu ityanena kutvam vinakti. अत्र तु खरिच इत्यनेन चर्त्वे युनक्ति. अत्र किं भवति युनज ध्वम चोः कुः इत्यनेन कुत्वे युनग ध्वम. Sorry, this is युञ्ज ध्वम. Sorry. There is an akara here, so it should be so sorry. So I have yunj dhvam. Shnasor allopah ityanena allopah kritah. Choh kuhu ityanena kutve yunag dhvam. Why have I made so much typing errors? Sorry. Yunj dhvam. Choh kuhu iti kutve yunag dhvam. Anuswaraha parasavarnaha. You directly get yung dhvam. You don't need the jashtva. For the chakarantas, you don't need the chartva. For the jakaranta, you don't need the jashtva. Okay, so you will have gakara. So yung dhvam. Yatra kharvarnaha asti tatra kharicha ityanena chartvam bhavati. Atra tu adau eva char bhavati. Yatra jashvarnaha tatra jashtvam. Okay, did you get the difference? I'm sorry. So if you are starting with chakara, wherever you have ti or thi, you directly do kutva. If there is dhakara, you do jashtva. In case of yuj, when you do kutva, you get g. So yungdhvam iti sakshat siddhyati. Yatra tu yungtaha ityadi asti tatra kharicha ityanena chartvam kartavyam bhavati. Even though the final forms are the same, there is a slight variation in chartva and jashtva. Similarly, you have avinach t. हल्ज्ञाभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्य प्रक्तं हल इत्यनेन तकारः लुप्यते. चोः कुः इत्यनेन कुत्वम् अविनक्. झलां जशोन्ते इति जष्ट्वे अविनग्. वावसाने इत्यनेन चर्त्वे अविनक्. अविनग् अविनक् इति रूपद्वयम्. अयुनज् त्. हल्ज्ञाभ्यो दीर्घात् इत्यनेन तकारः लुप्यते. चोः कुः इत्यनेन कुत्वम् अयुनग्. Atra punaha jhalam jashonte iti pravartate, because it is still jhal padanta, ataha jashtvam pravartate. You again do ayunag. Tataha vavasane ityanena chartve ayunag ayunak. Okay, so what you change is the adesha. Chakarasya kakaraha, jakarasya gakaraha. Okay, but the forms will be exactly the same. Yunakti, yunktaha, yunjanti. You have the ja, yunjanti. Yunakshi, yunktaha, yunkta. Yunajmi, yunjvaha, yunjmaha. Yunkte, yunjate, yunjate. Yunkshe, yunjathe, yungdve. Yunje, yunjvahe, yunjmahe. Yunaktu, yunktat, yunktam, yunjantu. Yungdhi, yunktat, yunktam, yunkta. Yunajani, yunajava, yunajama. Yunktam, yunjatam, yunjatam. Yunkshva, yunjatham, yungdhvam. Yunajai, yunajavahai, yunajamahai. Ayunak, ayunag, ayunktam, ayunjan. Ayunak, ayunag, ayunktam, ayunkta. Ayunajam, ayunjva, ayunjma. Ayunkta, ayunjatam, ayunjata. Ayunktaha, ayunjatham, ayungdhvam. Ayunji, ayunjvahi, ayunjmahi. Yunjat, yunjatam, yunjuhu. Yunjaha, yunjatam, yunjata. Yunjyam, yunjava, yunjyama. Yunjita, yunjiyatam, yunjiran. Yunjithaha, yunjiyatham, yunjidhvam. Yunjiya, yunjivahi, yunjimahi. So similarly, you can practice for the other dhatus. Okay, the oral practice as we did in class today. The question comment which says that it looks like the most complicated gana. It is not. See, as long as the variations can be generalized, it is not. I mean, you just need practice, mainly because we don't use the Rudhadi Gana forms usually. It's very rarely found in usage. It's this. But for everything, it's almost the same pattern. So don't worry. There are a few more sutras, but that is to be expected. We are reaching the end. After this, we just have 2 more ganas. Okay. So if you ask me, Adadi Gana is the most difficult, because there is not much in common among the other dhatus. As long as all dhatus can be related by a common vikarana, they will have something in common which connects them. But in Adadi, you don't have that common factor because the vikarana pratyaya is deleted. So again, there are quite a few special dhatus in the adadigana. So don't worry, this rudhadi is not very complicated. So it might be more, there is more to this than say the bhadigana or the tudadigana. But with practice, you will get it. So that is why please practice. If not in writing, just orally. Just look at the 5 forms, orally tell how you derive them, and then just practice adding them on. So you will be pretty familiar in some time. Any questions? Prashnaha santi va? Hema, Bhagini?
No, the exercise you have given,
Hmm.
तत्र अक् किमर्थम् अक् मूर्धन्यनकार is not there?
It is there. I mean, I didn't give, it has to be done. Ravarna nasya natvam vachyam ityanena natvam karaniyam.
किमर्थं चेत् मम समीपे बृहद् धातु कुसुमाकरः इति एकं पुस्तकमस्ति तत्र मूर्धन्यनत्वं
नास्ति वा?
नास्ति
Bhavati. It should be because there is no this thing to prevent it. Akrinat ityeva rupam. Krinatti ityeva. Natvam bhavati. Sarvatra tadeva. Yatra lopaha nasti tatra natvam bhavati. Krinatti krintaha krintanti ityeva.
धन्यवादः
अस्तु येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्